In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply coupon codes on AliExpress. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aliexpress.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to apply the coupon codes, what you have to do is go to the checkout interface. For that, make sure you've added the item to the cart. For that, what you have to do is simply find the item that you would like to buy. After you do that, click on it. After that, click on the option add to cart. Now after you add the items to cart, what you have to do is click on the cart option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to view your shopping cart. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart over here. Select the items that you would like to check out. Now once you do that, click on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. Now over here, what you have to do is add the shipping address, payment methods and other information. So if you want to apply the coupon codes, what you have to do is look into the summary section. You'll be able to find three options over here: subtotal, promo codes, shipping fee. Now over here, you'll be able to enter the promo codes in the section for promo codes. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for enter. Simply click on this field. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the promo codes. What you have to do is simply click on the field of promo code. Now enter your coupon code over here. Make sure the coupon code is correct. After you do that, click on this option apply that you can see on the screen. Now if the coupon code that you provided is correct, your coupon code will be applied and you'll be able to get promised discount. So like this, you'll be able to apply the coupon code. So that is how you apply coupon code on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.